So I've just had my breakfast, and now before I have another hard day by the pool, dossing about, scratching my arse, I'm going to try and put some more work into the little gym. Just feel like I'm going to do something today. A little half hour in the gym, sit there like people do on the end of some gym machine looking at my phone for half hour and then walk back out again. So no, I'm not. I'm going to put music on. I'm going to do a bit of pumping iron. I'm going to get into this. Right, I'm going to have a new entrance to the gym now. So this is where we are. We're at a Biomar, a TUI hotel. One of the TUI ones. And I'm just coming up to the spa now. So I think I can get in the gym this way. So I'm going to switch this off and speak to you soon. Right. Time to do my legs. 7, 8, 9. Another little gym session done. Just to take away some of the guilt for sitting there doing F all day, really. But I must just tell you that we're in these swim up rooms with another couple next door that we've come with. And along these balconies, you've got enough room for 4 separate apartments with a swim up room. So you've got our friends next to us. So my friend's wife is a nurse. My wife is a nurse. And then next door to us, turned up yesterday, is an older couple. She's a retired nurse and he's a retired plasterer. So it's a really good little clique. So if anyone knows Pete the plasterer from Warrington, he's an old, properly served plasterer. You know, he started in the, I think he said the 60s. So he was running mouldings, he was doing all the stuff, you know, the stuff that me being a plasterer starting in the 80s. A lot of that passed me by, all that sort of real making it on site stuff. You know, we was buying ceiling roses and buying covings. But he's old school, he was making them. So yeah, Pete the plasterer, I think he said he's 78 and he really looks good for it actually. Up from Warrington. Give us a little thumbs up. Someone must know him out there. Been doing it for long enough. Anyway, yeah, what a coincidence. Pete the plasterer. Val the nurse, my wife's the nurse, my friend's wife is a nurse as well. So, and we're all, I think we're all older than our other half. So I wasn't silly, was I? I found myself a nurse that's 10 years younger than me. She can wipe my little bum when I'm older.